Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best dark spot removers available on the market right now, the HANYWIL Dark Spot Remover. If you struggle with stubborn dark spots, sunspots, or pigmentation issues, this might just be the product you've been looking for. The HANYWIL Dark Spot Remover claims to be meticulously formulated to tackle those pesky dark spots and uneven skin tones. It promises to deliver astonishing transformations using a blend of science-backed ingredients and natural extracts. Let's delve into what makes this serum stand out. It's packed with cutting-edge technology designed to penetrate deep into the skin, targeting and reducing pigmentation for a more even and radiant complexion. Professional-grade results. It's not just about reducing dark spots, it's about elevating your confidence with quality skincare. The HANYWIL Dark Spot Remover aims to deliver visible results within 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this serum is formulated to be gentle yet effective for all. Natural brightening. With ingredients like hyaluronic acid, it not only targets dark spots, but also enhances overall skin brightness and radiance. For optimal results, it's recommended to use this serum twice daily, morning and evening. Apply a small amount to cleansed skin and gently massage until fully absorbed. Don't forget to follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from further damage. While there are many dark spot correctors out there, what sets the HANYWIL Dark Spot Remover apart is its fast-acting formula and the promise of noticeable results over time. It's designed not just for your face but for your body as well, making it versatile for addressing spots on various parts of your skin. If you're looking to invest in a product that can truly make a difference in your skincare routine, the HANYWIL Dark Spot Remover deserves serious consideration. Its blend of science and natural extracts promises to deliver on its claims, helping you achieve a brighter and more even skin tone. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried this product or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews on the latest skincare products. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.